Hello friends. I warmly welcome you to another helpful video tutorial, where we will check the Exchange database files content without any Exchange server or email client. We have constantly brought you such video tutorials to help you in managing your IT assets more effectively, and today's video will allow you to access the information present in the offline Exchange database files. When you open the Kernel Exchange EDB Viewer software, you can see that it has a simple user interface. Click the File option and choose Select EDB. In the new wizard, click the Browse button to choose the EDB file. Select the EDB file from its location and click the Open button. After selecting the EDB file, click Next. There are two recovery modes to scan the EDB file. You should use Standard Scan to check the EDB file. Then click the Finish button. The software will scan the whole EDB file and display its content. It will also show a message that the software lets you view user mailboxes and their data. This tool is for viewing EDB files only. To save the EDB mailboxes to PST, Live Exchange, and Office 365, you should use Kernel for Exchange Server. Click OK. You can select any folder on the left. The software will show its content, and after clicking on the content, you can get its preview. You can open and view all the content of EDB mailboxes in this way. However, to save the information in the EDB file to PST, Live Exchange, and Office 365, you should use Kernel for Exchange Server. Thanks for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel to view more videos that will help you in all the steps of your business. Also, give a comment and share it with others who may benefit from such knowledge. The bell icon will ensure that you get an instant notification whenever a new video is uploaded, so click it definitely. The complete information about the software is available on our website. Have a nice day.